Introducing the LANCERGEAR hunting and skinning knife. Our knife includes a replaceable blade designed with a quick-release safe lock mechanism and specialty skinning blade that makes it easy to cut under the skin and not damage organs. This double blade hunting knife is made with durable, wear-resistant materials that will stay sharp enough to cut quickly and smoothly. Our knife set includes 6 spare replaceable blades. Just unscrew the blade, take out the old blade, and replace it with a new sharp blade. This knife also has a durable non-slip handle with a strong stainless steel frame, which helps strengthen grip so you can cut your game safely. And of course, our hunting knife comes with a high-quality camouflage knife sheath that has plenty of space to carry your spare blades. Hunt with confidence with LANCERGEAR.